In this video, we are going to show you how to get 20% off on your first 5 months on Brandsearch. Brandsearch helps digital marketers, media buyers, and brand builders analyze over 160 million ads, track competitor traffic and tech stacks, discover winning products, and integrate data into custom workflows via APIs. If this is what you're looking for specifically, then click on the link that we have provided in the description below. And it's going to bring us to this page right here, which is brandsearch.co, right? So to avail this discount, you need to subscribe. And to do that, you need to create a new account. So click on try for free here on the upper right corner. Once you click and you've created your account and you're logged in, it's going to bring us to your dashboard right here. Now, to get the discount to subscribe, all we need to do is click on upgrade, right? It's going to bring us to this page right here. So you can choose starter, outscaler, or agency, and just click adopt workflow. So you're going to see the breakdown for each, right? And click adopt workflow. For example, we're going to go with outscaler. So do that. All right, we are going to be brought to your prototypical checkout page where on your left-hand side, you're going to see an option that says add promotion code. All we need to do is click this and just type in ecom sensei 20, click apply. And as you can see, you get 20% off for a month, but this is going to be for 5 months. Every time you subscribe again or resubscribe and just go through the typical checkout process and you'll be good to go. By the way, we recently created a detailed tutorial on Brandsearch. So if you want to know more on how to use it effectively, you can watch that video showing on your screen right now. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.